Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you are watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's begin with the top stories of the day. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is facing criticism for travelling with a large convoy to a Vipassana meditation retreat in Punjab. The move has raised questions about his commitment to simplicity, as Vipassana emphasizes detachment from material comforts. His political opponents have called this a contradiction in his public stance. In Punjab, farmer leader Joginder Singh Ugrahan has been detained by police as authorities blocked a protest march to Chandigarh. Security has been tightened across the state as farmer unions remain adamant about continuing their agitation. The Punjab police have justified their actions as a preventive measure to maintain law and order. Mumbai is preparing for an intense summer, with the city's peak electricity demand expected to exceed 4,500 megawatts. Power suppliers such as Tata Power and Adani Electricity are ramping up efforts with advanced technologies and diversified energy sources to ensure uninterrupted supply. Meanwhile, temperatures in Mumbai are set to soar this week, with the Indian Meteorological Department predicting highs between 35 and 38 degrees Celsius. The rise is attributed to seasonal and atmospheric changes, prompting advisories for residents to stay hydrated and avoid prolonged exposure to the sun. In Hyderabad, Telugu singer Kalpana Raghavendra has been hospitalized after an apparent suicide attempt at her residence. She is currently in stable condition and under medical supervision. The incident has sparked discussions on mental health awareness in the entertainment industry. Kannada actress Ranya Rao was arrested at Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport for allegedly smuggling 14.8 kilograms of gold from Dubai. She has been placed under 14-day judicial custody as investigations into the case continue. In international news, former U.S. President Donald Trump has announced reciprocal tariffs targeting India's high auto import duties. The new tariffs, set to take effect on 2 April, are aimed at ensuring fair trade practices. Trump has reiterated his stance on reducing trade imbalances with India. Meanwhile, China has firmly opposed the latest U.S. tariff measures, further escalating trade tensions between the two economic giants. Retaliatory measures are being considered, and analysts warn of potential global economic repercussions if the standoff continues. In sports, Australian cricketer Steve Smith has announced his retirement from one-day internationals following Australia's exit from the Champions Trophy. Smith will now focus on Test and T20 formats, concluding a remarkable ODI career. And finally, a moment of frustration was visible from head coach Gautam Gambhir after Virat Kohli's dismissal in the Champions Trophy semi-final against Australia. Kohli played a crucial 84-run innings before his unexpected departure, leaving fans and the team disappointed. That's all for tonight's bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates on Channel 6 Network. This is Ankita Singh signing off. Good night.